OpenAI's ChatGPT has been a reality for almost a year now, and with its launch, the AI hysteria started. Everything ending in .ai is just being adopted, glorified, embraced. Another reality is the huge amount of energy that it consumes. On a monetary scale, each query costs approximately 4 cents. On a green scale, a bottle of fresh water is used for each 20 to 50 queries executed. Some consider it to be the next Google. It will not be a search engine, but a finder. It will do the work for you. But what does that actually mean? How should the infrastructure scale? An analysis considers that they would need $48 billion worth in GPU chips and another $16 billion per year in maintenance costs. That's quite a pile of money, even for a company with a sack of gold. For this reason, also for the shortage of the GPU chips, OpenAI considers building their own. Some do it as well as Google's training processing units or Amazon's Athena, but failed. Some failed, like Meta. What will OpenAI do? Especially as they are dependent on Microsoft's infrastructure, a company that is also their main shareholder? Does it mean that they are getting a cold shoulder? For now, there are only questions. The time will provide the answers. But one thing is clear, the world we live in is the craziest ever. 505updates.com has more points of view related to cybersecurity and open source. Olimpiu Pop reported from Transylvania, Romania.